For the president, the oath.
Thi-ini wa ugaruruku uria ukoretwo wetereirwo ni Akenya na hikinene, mutongoria wa bururi aniriire nieguthii nambere kurutithania wira na ministers atandatu aria marari ikireka-ini riake ria mbere arita mutongoria wa bururi. Minister aya ni Fred Matiang'i uria riu ugutuika minister mugaciru wa ugitiri hamwe na kunyitirira githomo, Henry Rotich wa kigina, Charles Keter wa thitima na maguta, Joel Musheru wa ICT, Najib Balala wa ugendi na James Macharia wa waki. O ni kuga maminista 13 aria marari thirikari-ini nguru ni mekwaga wira wona president arikia kuyuria iturwa ciothe cia ndudu yake njeru ya maminista.
Head of Public Service will continue to be Mr. Joseph Kenywa. The Deputy Head of Public Service will be Mr. Wanyama Musiambo. The Chief of Staff and Head of the Presidential Delivery Unit will be Mr. Nzioka Waita. The Comptroller of State House will be Mr. Kinothia Mbogwa.
Thi-ini wa ugaruruku munini uria President Kenyatta aniriire, mutongoria wa bururi ni endekithitie maritwa ma andu atatu aria arenda matuike maminister thirikari-ini yake, aria ni hamwe na mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi Keriako Tobiko, uria wari senator wa Turkana John Munyes na governor wa mbere wa Marsabit Uhuru Kenyatta. Hari ugaruruku ungi President Kenyatta nieheretie iturwa-ini ciao Ndegwa Muhoro uria urari murugamiriri munene wa DCI, Joel Kitili uria urari munini wa Inspector General wa borithi hamwe na murunawe Samuel Arachi. Aya megukorwo makiheo wira ungi hari uruti wira wa muingi. Giturwo kia Muhoro gikuoyo ni George Kinoti uria urari afitha munene ruhonge-ini rwa borithi.
I will be making further announcements to fill cabinet positions, to fill the positions of principal secretaries, as well as our sagas, as we continue to populate the government with those that will be charged with the responsibility of executing our agenda for the next 5 years. I thank you, and may God bless you, and may God continue to bless the Republic of Kenya.
Munene wa aruti wira a muingi Joseph Kenywa eguthii nambere na giturwa giake. Mutongoria wa bururi ni ambikite muthingi wa guthondeka thirikari yake ya ikereka ria keri, hari ogite ni ekwanirira maritwa mange ica ikuhi kuria erigirirwo ni kwandandura ndudu yake ya maminister nginya 22 mbere ya aneane maritwa mao kuri kamiti ya bunge niguo mathurimwo. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Kameme wa Mwangi.